Hi there, so this is our product walk around of our new Kubota M6, brand new tractor for us. This has only arrived in with us in the last couple of days. Really impressed with it so far. Bit of a game changer for us in terms of spec. It's the Kubota 4-cylinder 6.1 litre engine. This one is the 140. They do a 120, 130 and 140. All tractors will boost 20 horsepower. Front suspension, cab suspension. Have a quick look at the back end. So yeah, back end of the tractor, push out hitch as standard, power beyond as standard. This one has a just over 7 ton lift on the back end. This one's spec with Isobus. You can spec the tractors up or down. Yeah, mechanical cab suspension. So this one is spec with 4 spools. We've got your external controls for your linkage and PTO. And then we'll go around and have a bit of a look inside. Okay, so we'll just jump in and have a quick look. Really easy access, 3 points of contact, lots of space. One of the most impressive parts of this tractor that we've noticed immediately is just the cab. Phenomenal size cab, the visibility is second to none. You hardly notice the 2 front pillars. And the cab is actually taken off our bigger M7 tractor. Completely new finish inside. So this is the M6 is kind of a hybrid between what was our MGX range and our M7. Just a really good all-round tractor. The transmission has come across from our MGX range, so it's a 3-range 8-speed power shift, but this whole system here is new for us. Parts of it have come across from our M7 range. If you want to come up and just have a quick look. So this is your main control stick. You've got auto range, which can all be adjusted from under your armrest as well. So the aggressiveness of that change. Your linkage, you've got your shuttle, forward reverse shuttle. This is your range change, preset engine revs, and your forward and reverse or gear up, gear down. So it's a really nice, simple operation. Everything on this tractor is really well located. Everything's to hand. You've also got an up and down on your gear change down here, which is quite a comfortable position. So it's a bevel gear front axle on this tractor, which is the same on all the other M series Kubota tractors. Fantastic turning circle. This one has a bi-speed turn, so your outside wheel will move slightly quicker than your inner wheel, so it pulls the tractor around on things like headland turns really quickly. You've also got down here a button for your express restart function. So once that's engaged, engine will cut off on the braking and then restart once you release the brake and move forward again on the accelerator. So quite a nice system. There's been a few changes to your forward reverse paddle, which is quite a nice new shape. So this is the 142 M6, which is Kubota's demonstrator. So they've spec'd this one up. This is your K monitor, so implement control, headland management, you know, all your isobus functions running through your screen. A lot of your main controls, your engine controls, engine management, service intervals, etc., can all be done through the standard smaller control system that you have on the computer. Again, the tractor can be spec'd up and down as you wish. Tyre specs can be changed. We can go up to 650s. This one is currently on 520s adjustables, so good flexibility there. Yeah, everything are over here, so your main everything again is really handy, well laid out. So all your spools, your PTO, 4-speed PTO on this tractor. You've got suspension controls, isolator, and this tractor's got a fantastic lighting package as well. So nice little touch on it. You can set through the system, you can set the lights once you've locked the tractor to give you a 5-minute window. So you know, once you're closing down in the sheds, you get some lighting, and then it will automatically turn off after 5 minutes. So yeah, we're really excited by this tractor. We've had a couple sold already. We've got lots of demos lined up. This is Kubota's demonstrator. We've also got our own demonstrator here now. So please get in touch. We'd love to get this tractor out and about. We've taken it for a bit of a drive ourselves. The ride on it is fantastic. You know, the capacity of the tractor, the back end capabilities, really make it a tractor that should put us into a different market. So if you are in the market for this size tractor, please give us a shout. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We should have plenty more videos coming out over the next few weeks. Not just the Kubota range, we'll be doing our Kverneland range of products. And as you may have seen on our Facebook, we are now official dealers for K2. So doing the full K2 range and the Warwick range as well. So yeah, we look forward to catching you soon. Many thanks.